So it looks like a zip file in Brightspace, but when I go to download it, I'm getting an INDB file. I've actually downloaded it 2 separate times. And at both times it was a INDB folder, so file instead of, yeah. So I'm missing, I don't have any of your fonts, I don't have any of your links. Trying to figure out how to get the image before separated from the white and fill inside the Illustrator. Okay, I'm not sure if I totally understood that. Okay, I like this. That's cool. I would say let's zoom in on this. Looks like you have like maybe a, I'm not sure what it's filled in with, maybe a gradient? Maybe something a little bit more, I don't know why it's looking like it's fading out. Maybe you accidentally used this tool on it. I think you might have. You might want to retype this so that it doesn't have that look to it. But I think this is pretty cool. I almost wonder what this wouldn't look like white too. Not saying I dislike that color you came up with. Okay, I like that. Let's push W on the, oops, not inside the text box. W on the keyboard, you do have it. Your background probably needs to be brought out, you know, definitely to the red bleed line. I can't really tell if it's all the way out there. Also in your template, definitely make sure that you turn the eyeball off of that. And if you're trying to use this in Illustrator, you're going to have to do an image trace. Make sure it's not a low-res image. And then do an image trace in Illustrator. Delete out all the white with the white arrow tool. Grab all the black and change it to white. And then copy and paste it from Illustrator into InDesign. That would be one way of doing that. Hopefully you understand what I'm saying. And then I would look over the project worksheet and just make sure that you are meeting all of the requirements, because I do want you to have contact information in here, and I want you to have icons and things like that. So definitely look over the project worksheet. Also, you know, your files in the links panel, make sure that they are CMYK and the effective PPI is above 300. So anything that you bring into your document that is in the links panel, definitely check those for the document color mode or color space and the effective PPI. Other than that, this looks pretty good.